Downtown people, the baddest crew ever. Right now, it's all about the Tinker Street Angels. Number one killing sound. I want to some pussy boy. A who own boy, a bad lion. Remember when a dead lion, watch another kill him. Moderation of be a yellow tape. Flexes alongside golden buns. Introduce my daddy. Kill him with his style. You know if you remember this your home of red boy. Do nothing now. Go so. Yeah, yeah, man.
Watch this them for the most 3% for the baddest sound, you know. Street Angel sound. I'm a MC Genesis Lexus.
Street Angel.
Hear this now.
Come kill off some sound.
Street Angel. In a tech jump on fit toy. No. Street Angel.
Watch it now.
Presenting, you know. Them feel this. No chatting. So not go there tonight, so we not go waste no time. So not go there tonight, so we know we got the right. So not go there tonight, so we not go waste no time. So not go there tonight, so we know we got the right.
Tell a boy this, Street Angel no afraid of nobody. For them to know we are real man somebody. All the earth now to pick up the body. Only for the plate you know so we have it. So we not afraid of no sound in a no competition. We stand back but can't compete in the mission. The empty sound now you know we not this one. Just Street Angel so we want this one.
So we not go there tonight, so we not go waste no time. So we not go there.
Yo, Street Angels International. Street Angels Entertainment. This is Gideon, aka the Sim Sheen. Street Angels and them a talk out. When you step in a dancing marshal, true Lord and true Gideon, Lord the boy.
Shuffle again. Yo, hold on, remember, Street Angels are killing
Yo, Street Angels International. Street Angels Entertainment. This is Gideon, aka the Sim Sheen. Street Angels and them a talk out. When you step in a dancing marshal, true Lord and true Gideon, Lord. Street Angels International come now. No matter what, no matter who, no matter when. Street Angels sound a bit better than them. Every day I get up in a dance, them complain. You probably shower them and shoes like a rain. Going booms, you a come, you a mash up. Let's go kick, set the youths, them a notch up. Bunzo slim, all the gas, them a cry up. Two style, you style of a rock out. Silent killer, one it like a puppet. Every day you want to get genius. Since you run up the road, number one, so you want to go out and
Yo, Matalan, MC Genius, Luxy, DJ Wellman. Hey, you know, rhythm shot the blood talking. MC Good Style and DJ Bonza Slim. Shottings, big deal, big deal, big deal. Street Angel, Street Angel, you know what top top. I know the right ups and don't pop. So let me just Street Angel International, South of Zimbabwe. Yo, Matalan, MC Genius, Luxy, DJ Wellman. Hey, you know, rhythm shot the blood talking. MC Good Style and DJ Bonza Slim. Shottings, big deal, big deal, big deal. Street Angel, Street Angel, you know what top top. I know the right ups and don't pop. We hear them a top top. So let me just chat take parrot. We hear them a top top. One box of spice them got. We hear them a top top. I know the right ups and now. Think Street Angel a slip. But I got kept awake. We'll listen some a wolf, some a snake. Lion step out and things that we are shake. Locked up for the plate of weight. War them like in a Street Angel. No easy to find.
This is Cash Advice of the Ghetto. And when I say Street Angels International gun them low till it echo. And I say big up all of South Africa, I say Zimbabwe, I say Cape Town, I say Highfield massive, I say Downtown massive. And I say big up my like Selector Golden Rose, I say MC Genius Lexus. And I say DJ Mighty, I say Dan Fatso. MC Good Style, so you mean Badman sound really hard and broad country and town. Sound boy dead gunshot in the head. Read him up. Cash man, I represent. I want some boy. I want some man. Street Angel sound me saying up. You listening? Hakuna Matata. We no shut up. Hakuna Matata. RB is a way and down we gun.
Watch it now.
You don't know this is Cash the Vice of the Ghetto. And if you know the Street Angels International gun them low till it echo. I'm a big boy South Africa, I'm a Zimbabwe, I'm a Cape Town, I'm a Highfield Massive, I'm a Downtown Massive. I'm a big up my like Selector Golden Boys, I'm a MC Genius Lexus. I'm a DJ Mighty, I'm a Dan Fatso. MC Good Style, so you mean Badman sound really hard and broad country and town. Sound boy dead gunshot in the head. Read him up. Cash man, I represent. I want some boy. I want some man. Street Angel is sound me sign up. So listening. Hakuna Matata. Bully to win no shutter. Hakuna Matata. We don't need them sponsor. All we is a way and town we gun. We not sure we have it and town we gun. These Street Angels and them get shot down. Out of them head blood a run. Make us a them. All we is a way and town we gun. We not sure we have it and town we gun. These Street Angels and them get shot down. Out of them head blood a run.
Zimbabwe, you know. I don't know selector like Dan Fatso, you know. I don't know MC like Genesis Lexus, you know. I don't know you have the great Empress so icy, you know. I don't know who coming for kill so now we're doing a ramping thing. I don't know MLB this, you know. Show up! Light up the ganja and put them on.
Your ganja big man, I smoke my youth.
How's where I want it? Straight up a Zimbabwe. Street Angel. I grade me a boss in a maid. Street Angel a boss in a dem. Street Angel. You know me to the fullest out there. Represent the Street Angel, so.
Who know if remember Straight Angels, man, a killing sound. Easy, no dead lion. Who know if remember Straight Angels, a killing sound. Introduce road boy, go then. Talk to them, you know.
Everybody sound out Zimbabwe, you know. I don't know selector like Dan Fatso, you know. I don't know MC like Genesis Lexus, you know. I don't know you have the great Empress so icy, you know. I don't know who coming for kill so now we're doing a ramping thing. I don't know MLB this, you know. Show up! Light up the ganja and put them out the car.
A pure ganja big man, I smoke my youth.
How's where I want it? Straight up a Zimbabwe. Street Angel. I grade me a boss in a maid. Street Angel a boss in a demed. Street Angel a boss in a demed. Street Angel tell Zimbabwe. I grade me a boss in a maid.
Yeah, man, them to know any man.
Angel a boss in a demed.
Zimbabwe, them to know this, you know. Yeah, you me Silent Killer, MC Genius, Lexus, them to know no DJ Bonzo Slim, you know. MC Goose, them to know no Tyler, DJ Mighty Fatso, them to know no DJ Golden Bones. I want to them, man. A baby boom, the ghetto boss representing Zimbabwe. Everywhere, Street Angels. Come me burn a fire, burn a sound man. No for them a devil, no for them a Satan. We put the load back gun and the boat back gun. What me want to do, some of them a program. They could have begun to pop up record program. Show me say, better be with slogan. They would have a win a jail and not get no fear. But Street Angels, we a jump and so me say, me know say them fear way. Street Angels say no sound can't scare way. No for them a devil in disguise, but ja, me don't we murder a sound boy dearly. Them punish up people.
Yo, uno.
This is a sound artist presentation. Yeah, Street Angels Zimbabwe. Man like Don Fox, DJ Wellman, MC Goldstars, DJ Boundaries, and MC Genius Lexus.
See, master fit and dead song. Fi press some shit in just Zimbabwe. We no rump in a dead song. Cause the response and
This is a sound artist presentation. Yeah, Street Angels Zimbabwe. Man like Don Fox, DJ Wellman, MC Goldstars, DJ Boundaries, and MC Genius Lexus.
see, master fit and dead song. Fi press some shit in just Zimbabwe. We no rump in a dead song. Cause the response sound, the length sound. Them just another batty boy, they da give fake sound. Master fit be a dead song. Fi press some shit in just Zimbabwe. We no rump in a dead song. Cause the response sound, the length sound. Them just another batty boy, fake a give dead sound. When me say, what I me suggest, we never go for that. Never someone ever could be just kill a rhythm that. Cause then the sound a rise, sock party surprise. We thought I just a lie, boy, you son man be disguise. The pussy lie, boy crying like no better than we. Boy crying like this, I should have stayed fried. My you lie.
Big up yourself, Black Ninja says.
Watch it no man. Pussy, you're dead no.
DJ Wallace.
I tell them it's a special big up to Quagga and Papa Catero. Black Ninja says so. Hey! Street Angel sound, now. The champion sound, yeah. Now, where? Street Angel sound, yeah. Them are the champion sound, yeah. Killer jump and do the hard jump on there. From long street angel sound, killer sound there. Roll with dread, them no need no delay them. Street angel, them no we know the money, so we go along, alalalali. Early in the morning, G45 street angels are the champion. Killer legal sound, DJ Welly man juggler, top plate conqueror. Killer chick punky with G40, 10,000, 20,000. Killer legal somebody with G45. Kill 10 sound in a week, Killer legal somebody with G45. 15,000, 30,000. Killer legal somebody with G45. Ayo, street angels sound, champion sound. Ayo, street angels sound, champion sound. Long time, DJ Welly man, him a sit down. Don't pass to him and the dance.
Yo, who don't remember Street Angels the number one?
I'm sound boy. Just sound, you matter where you want from me. Just Street Angels sound, how you feel like? You don't know say you want blood clot that pussy.
All it comes to them. Right up now.
Empty you get mass lady, a lion to say. Sound boy you want to back in a pussy and fuck over back. Idiot sound boy you coulda who you a chat. Street Angel will full you up a gunshot. Bring the place, stop out your head back. We make me own place, sound boy you a catch. Hold up your plant and you better know that pepper act. No pepper catch. Sound boy, you just run up in a next track. So play rap like a thunder. All I know, run under your dead. You test my sound. Sound boy, I suck out your mother. Play your girl and drink the water. Sound boy, and you a ball out the bed and don't play. It's crack your little hand and test my sound. Cause you know you would have done so. Back in a pussy and fuck over back. Idiot sound boy, I coulda who you a chat. Street Angel for you up and go.
He's up my old bad lion. You hear me, man? You're a dead lion. Remember, Street Angels are killing sound. Watch it, no man. Post the wall.
Woo. Yeah, man. Members say the clash thing are gone. And members say this is the first round, the introduction time. Saying, yeah, man, press on the place. Them say the Street Angels saying. Right about now, we have to call upon the dependent saying. Them say bad lion. Members say at 10 minutes you're playing this around. Yeah. Mr. Sound Guy. Yeah, man, fire for born tonight, trust me, no, man. Yes, bad lion. Oh, no, mad me? Eh? Oh. How can you kill a dead man? Yeah, man. You remember Tough Shelter train set to go get him and make a fire set up to fire. I original demon caster this one, you know. Yeah, man, back to back heads a bay. You remember the one you're mad, wicked, dangerous. I will say no, it's normal. Kim Kelly. Lippy. On remember we ready for want them anytime them call. With guns them never seen before. I'm not talking thing we know how to run. And we made that them all. Come tell me say you bad. Bad for who? In your point of view. In a nice super you say so. So right about no bad lion. Lego the first one.
Surf one aka Ninja Ford of the microphone now. Representing the sound called Bad Lion Fee Marshall, no partial, whoa yeah. Bad Lion Sound International, yeah. Selector Edza B, whoa yeah. MC Busy Boy, June Alex from Zimbabwe. What is some little idiot song?
Right,
Let's say go easy, whoa. Surf one of the microphone center, representing Bad Lion Sound International. Edza B, MC Busy Boy, Journalist, oh, yeah. Bad Lion, keep your head up high. No matter what the things them say. Words on them lips as I tell pure lies. I wonder what the hell them a try. Them lion and they suffer every day, yo. Them we stood up to them figure. Them heart full of envy, yeah. But we still a show them love every day. Just make them one talk, we don't make none of them stream-minded. And I want them to work witchcraft and a pray to see if I can someday. Just make them one talk, we don't make none of them stream-minded. None of them.
Yes, the Gaza Connection selection and take progress. You remember it's all about the killing. And we done the Lick Boy career before him even get to it. Lego the next one. Cash roll.
Yo, them finna say this is Cash the Vice to the ghetto. I'm a Bad Lion. Them fellows say girl them fashion loud later echo. I say select the Edza B. I say MC Busy Boy, June Alex. You don't know, you know. Read them up. Bad Lion sound all yard and broad country. My girl over there, so. That way you just do. Do it again. Edza B, you want to see it again.
Bad Lion, do it again.
We're here with the young girl. Bobby, no about the ring in your tongue. Gonna walk a star show with the ring in your tongue. Lead girl, playing with the ring in her tongue. Show with the ring in your tongue. Easy boy, no about the ring in your tongue. Gonna walk a star show with the ring in your tongue. Just gonna have to man, it's gonna have to do sex. Stretch out the tongue. Fashion, come to the club. Roll every time with the line over rose and roll. On the wagwan so, on the show off so. Mother pay you fi come in a me video. On the wagwan so, on the show off so. Some man a fight it, looks like it, you know when. She a play with the ring in her tongue. Do not stray with the ring in her tongue.
Whatever big what never shown after the other is the other now. Come in this, remember you know bag of yapping now.
Bad Lion Sound International. Yo, I love how you're mashing them up. Yo, man like Selector Ed Sade. Yo, you wicked eh? Yo, MC Busy Boy, Mr. Lex. Yo, make them push up the head now next. Yo, Zimbabwe my place. I feel up and going and them gone like a jet. Gone like a jet. Them can't test me. Guess what? Exact. Guess what? Up and going and them gone like a jet. Gone like a jet. In a sun head, squeeze jigger, squeeze jigger. In a sun head, squeeze jigger, squeeze jigger. In a sun head, squeeze jigger, squeeze jigger. In a exactly. Anyway them come from a this we are jump from random. Tell them say I want them girlfriend. Fire!
Yeah man, big up Singland way there. Selection and take progress right now. Them say crocodile. Look at the thing they know.
Yeah man, you don't know say Bad Lion Sound, you know. Yeah, MC Busy Boy, Junior Lex. Yeah man, Ed Zabi. Ring biggie diggy bang skirt. Dial Bad Lion number again. Come again. She tell me that she want the love. She want the and she don't want me. She tell me come and she call me Bad Lion Sound, you know. Yeah, MC Busy Boy, Junior Lex. Yeah man, Exabi. Ring diggy diggy bang skirt. Dial Bad Lion number again. Come again. She tell me that she want the love. She want the and she don't want me. She tell me come and she call me Exabi. So me jump on me and me have to find it. She tell me that she want me and she want the come. Draw down the skirt and me take down the top. Me no happy say no, me say no question. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. Him no come fi sing song, me no come fi watch TV. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. The Punani, bring it for Exabi. Me want fi press on the pussy like a iron pan jersey. Well they do me have to tell you something. In a me kingdom I
yeah man, after me done telling them can't kill a dead man. Remember selection and take progress. Look at the news.
I was courtesy representing for Bad Lion International Sound. It's a B, make them know say you're bad. I want the sun man. How am I going like them bad son and them mouth alone smell bad? It's a B, most a big dub plate right now and make them know say you're bad. From you a bad man, bust a dub and show them say you're bad man. From you a bad man, bust a dub and show them say you're bad man. You're madder than some someone. You're madder than some someone. You're madder than when me see boy I bust it up them a fist aga you're madder than some someone. You're madder than some someone. You're madder than.
Yeah man, remember session and take progress. This was running them Medusa. Right now make we beat them bad. Cause we run the thing, you know what I'm saying no. Look at you now, Exabi.
You don't say you're big a man like Exabi. You ever say you're MC Busy Boy. Yo, journalist. Bad Lion Sound a man champion. So don't you ever step up anytime you hear this song. No know where them going to where they coming from.
bad lion sound and beat them. Beat we a beat them bad with another dub. We a beat them bad with another one. Still a beat them mad with another dub. On another one. Beat we a beat them bad with another dub. We a beat them bad with another one. Still a deal with it mad. Yo, heads ready, everything's still on seal. Beat them bad. Like some jump on them. Show them if we sucker or the super fan go buy some jump. I'll be a madness them up play fan radio. Enough of them DJ and selector you think I do so. When you say bad lion and defend, look now fire. If your bad might turn up this way, but look to them. If they bad lion and you beat them, yeah. Say them attack, set them up the city lot.
Yeah man, remember selection and take progress. Yeah man, remember like I always say, so we're done with the lipping. And we're ready for the action, so watch how we kill the blood clot folia intelligently. Look at the thing them DJ.
Silence! Silence! Downtown, we have announcement to make. After making street angels sound, we have new names for them. Yo, genius vexers, doggy style. Yo, Bun Supreme, dead. Dead. Done yourself.
Yeah. So I'm ready. Them run away the hardest. Why link at the realest? Them preach for them and promise.
Emperor Fusion.
Ready now.
Ding 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 ding. Love me a lot. But I sound. MC Busy Boy, do not them. No. Like I know better than me.
I tell you again, now when you're mad, you get dangerous.
Silence! 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 Silence!
Yeah man.
Silence! Downtown! Silence! Silence!
We don't see the
Downtown! We have announcement
We
to
don't
make.
have
Silence! Silence!
Ready for the action.
Silence! Downtown! We have announcement to make. After making street angels sound, we have new names for them. Yo, genius vexers, doggy style. Yo, Bun Supreme, dead.
Remember Batman not take bad up.
Yeah. Some boy try vex with them run away the hardest. Why link at the realest? Them preach for them and promise.
Emperor Fusion.
Ding 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 ding. Love me a lot. But I sound. Select a LWE. MC Busy Boy, do not them. Yo, like I know better than me. Tell the boy we don't see everybody. We are better than them. But lion, we are better than them. Musical, you are better than here. Education, we like when they come when we step in, no say we are the baddest, them say we are the wicked. That we are shine like a painting. Pirating, I can't go for the treasure, me a heart. All of them are fake, they are weak. As I'm in a sleep, we make plan, we not shallow, we are weak. In a court case, we sing like we are the best in all the business. Here, me no father, I can't no better than me.
Man a Pepperino, the real at Stepperino representing for Bad Lion Sound. Let them know what we say. Ed's a B, MC Busy Boy, yo, Junior Lex, let them know Sound Boy get vexed. Oh, Zimbabwe, yo, I feel massive. Let them know South Africa, oh, Cape Town, oh, hey, let it go.
The police.
Just in case them don't know.
Fuck anything you are calling.
Or in case them know and don't remember. Bad Lion. Fire! Make some Sound Boy know. Come in! Get this in their head. Anything that's Bad Lion, them dead. Peppery, real and steppery.
Get ready.
Hey, we can't tell some Sound Boy sound up. Everywhere, we're not that down.
Froggy Band Squad I represent, you know. I know when I represent from a friend, you know. You know what I mean? Even on a Bad Lion sound, real sound from Zimbabwe, you know. I'm gonna tell you something. SW, I'm gonna tell you something. You know you're real youth, real loops, real general. You know you're a big son. You pay for your son, them. All the son, man, whatever go. Yo, you better tune Alex. All the son, man. Yo, I want to run with.
Right now.
Bossy boy. Yo, Zimbabwe, just tell them to go away. Them no know say you're bad people go away. Bad like that, so bad people find your own way. Tell them to go away. Them no know say you're bad people go away. Zimbabwe not take long story. If the violate them, then surely them find your holy. You know. Them see me, them don't know me. Them never know say a bad lion go me. No much thing, Esther B show me. Bad lion, soul and technology story like Fatty. Oh no, my friend, you try this.
Mr. Fatty! Wait now.
Pepper at mad again.
What did she?
Hear what you tell them.
What about me?
Bad lion, I beg no friend.
Yeah, man.
Scan them.
Is this really
Don't
about
wanna
passion?
Bad lion, I beg no friend. Scan them. Me don't wanna sex. Waste that can't quit. Why you not? No know that. Why you do with him? Put up so oh, say I said it when me say sex. Me don't wanna sex. No wanna waste that. Come turn on the best friend. Why you do with them lips? Me put that kissing up some girl pussy lips. Don't say I said it. Some sound boy. Don't show them slick. Them boy they itch pussy lips. Them boy they tongue stiff like a dick. Them boy they know if you work it. Some girl they full up of spit.
Black Lion sound once again. Hi. I'm here to answer people on the set, yeah? Bad Lion sound a crap. We not afraid of no man. The big bad sound. Bad Lion not frightened for nobody. But we respect everybody. And we better than everybody. This is how them run with everybody. And no boy no mother than we. Black Lion sound once again. Yeah? Bad Lion sound a crap. We not afraid of no man. The big bad sound. Bad Lion not frightened for nobody. But we respect everybody. And we better than everybody. This is how them run with anybody. Cause no boy no mother than we. No sound no mother than.
Come for kill. Yeah, man, I'm here for the real deal. Remember, it says a bishop out of Bad Lion back to beg the monk. Cast a logo the last one, father. Lucia, let's drink this.
Bad Lion son.
Bad Lion.
Select the heads up here. Expose boy. You are good that this is a Bad Lion the plate. Bullshit, never try disrespect. This is a Bad Lion the plate. You would never try disrespect with radar.
Never disrespect.
You need that you want you can succeed. You go paper no paper got a poor you know for you let people on me back. For you can only on packet and na click click clack. Boom me on bullet to le walk. You must demolition you give us a tip. Push you when the zombie yell is not. Bim bada. Uli let's play blada. How did you are good at somebody back in? You are good at somebody go back in you bed. Somebody go back in you bed.
Yeah, man, big up Bad Lion family. You don't understand it's all about meditation thing I go on. That was Bad Lion family. Me I take time to be a Street Angels family, see? Right about now in this year round. Hour, them say dab again. At 10 minutes you play each. See? You must remember. Yeah, man, that was introduction. Right now, are the first one. Really, see? At 10 minutes you play. Them say what? Dab. Dab. Fit dab. Really. A Bad Lion now. Yo, Street Angels, you are ready.